Okay guys, so we're doing this again.
Round two.
This is part 2 of taking pictures of strangers. So if you haven't watched the first one, we basically go around and ask random strangers if they would like their portrait done. I think it's a little bit of street photography and
Portraiture combined.
yeah. So if you guys want to see how we work with people who are not professional models, you're in for a treat. Grab a snack, get popcorn, because it's gonna be a long day. So just a quick note that we have asked and gotten permission from all the people, to consent to be in the video and have their picture taken. So yeah, please let's be nice to these strangers. Without them, we wouldn't have this video. How are you guys feeling about doing this again?
Stressed out already.
Me too.
I'm less nervous than the first time around. I don't like talking to strangers. I don't think any of us really do. So it's definitely pushing us out of our comfort zone.
You know, I was actually walking down the street and I'm like, oh, I could photograph that guy. Oh, he's on a motorcycle. He looks cool. Oh, she's eating a sandwich. I love sandwiches. I could go ask her. So I've been preparing for this since this morning.
Eating sandwiches or no?
Just a little bit of everything. The breakfast thing really got me going.
I'm always nervous to shoot, but especially when it's strangers, but it'll be fine.
I'm nervous just staring at people. Not that I stare, but just looking at people.
If my photos don't turn out well, I'll just stay out of the comment section. So.
Okay, so we're gonna go hit the streets of LA. Can we take like a lunch break before we do this? Get a water or something? I'm just gonna stay here. You guys don't even need me. I ate like a vegan cupcake. That's basically, I ate healthy. It is. I'm doing a project where I take pictures of strangers. I was wondering if you would mind like me taking a picture of you for my video?
Sure.
Awesome. Okay, perfect. Okay.
Do I need to go off the telephone?
You can say on the phone. Perfect. Oh my God, what is your, I speak Arabic. What does your necklace say?
It's my name, Nahal.
Nahal, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
My parents are Pakistani.
Oh, I'm Lebanese.
Oh, that's awesome.
Awesome. Okay, yeah, let's have you just here. You could have your smoothie and everything. Let's make it natural. You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
Sorry?
Can we take a photo of you guys?
For what?
Are you guys twins?
No.
Brothers? Oh, okay. Well, you could be.
Sure.
Really? Okay, awesome. There you go, perfect. Okay, that's. You guys have modeling experience? So far, so good. I just like, I get so embarrassed, but I actually, like, people's responses are a lot better than I think. Like, they're just like, yeah, and I get, yeah, I was shocked. I thought they were gonna be like, no, but no, they were really welcoming. It's like you're jumping into a pool of social anxiety. Oh, swimming. Excuse me, could I take a picture of you? Actually, that's kind of, girl, you already look cool. You don't, is it right there? Beautiful. Look at you. Okay, I got a free agency model. I didn't know. Yes, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm doing a series where I take pictures of strangers. Could I take your picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, just stay with your notebook. It makes you look studious. Just came back from class.
I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you. All right, just right at my camera here. Oh, where's she going? Oh, she's taking a photo of someone.
You need to ask. Yeah, we definitely shoot beautiful.
Someone help me out.
Be like, do you want professional picture instead of Instagram? Yeah. So no Instagram. We got you. Okay.
It's for a YouTube video. Is that okay?
Video. Are you okay with that?
I'm just gonna sit right across from you and take your photo. Will you set your phone down just right there? Cool. Will you look right at my lens? Okay.
We're doing the photo.
Can I have this burrito in my hand?
Yes, you can eat it. Of course, we love burritos. You want a picture with your burrito? That's awesome.
I think it was like $8.60 or so. Delicious sausage, potatoes. That's all I got. I'll get another one right after this. Tacos Delta!
How's it going so far?
It's going pretty good. I mean, people are pretty open to us taking their photos, so that's good.
We only got rejected once.
Yeah, so
How many times did you guys get rejected last?
like 50 times.
The burrito guy so far, I mean, he blew me away.
He really sold me on the burrito.
He really, I'm about to go
So,
do one after this.
Yeah. Wait for the motorcycle to pass. Can I take your photo? Go on. Okay. Thank you.
For those of you who are trying to do something like this, you are going to get rejected. You're going to feel a little bit like, oh God. But I think that's what you got to go through to be able to get the shot. Let's go. Can we take a photo of you guys?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes?
absolutely.
Oh, okay. That was so easy.
That was way easier than I thought it was going to be.
It's just we look good today, Sam.
Yeah, like, okay.
It's for a YouTube video.
Wait, of or with?
Oh.
Do people normally ask to take pictures with you?
Well, I'm just like,
Together's cool.
Wasn't quite sure what you said.
Oh, I was just wondering if I should know about that. Hang on one second. All right, and then just GQ it up, no smiles. We're doing a video where we take pictures of strangers, and you have a really cool look. Do you want to be part of it? No, right here is perfect. Can I get you just leaning forward on the table, maybe like this? And then just look right into my lens, look right through it. So we're doing a project where we're shooting strangers. We're doing a video for YouTube. Are you guys interested in being a part of it? Because you guys have really cool looks. Okay.
Together.
Let's do, maybe let's spin around on this cool wall right here. And then just, cool, you guys, you're nailing it. Okay, and then can you just take like one step forward just to put some separation between the wall?
I feel like I aged 20 years right now. Okay, thoughts on today? How was it?
I'm excited about what we got.
People were a lot more receptive to us in Silver Lake. And
Yeah.
We're also like a little bit more selective with who we asked. So we asked people who seemed like they might be interested in it. So I think we had a higher success rate of people accepting our offer.
And like I said, when I was walking, some people I thought would say no to me right away. They're like, yeah, definitely. There was a couple of you guys that got away. Just know we wanted to ask you guys, but you were either walking really fast or I don't know, we were too embarrassed to ask you. Because
Or they were eating. There was like a lot of cool people eating and I just didn't want to bother them.
and it looked like really good food. We also wanted to eat with you guys because we're pretty hungry right now. So let us know what you guys think of the pictures. We'd like to thank Daniel and Rachel. So we're doing the Dollar Store Challenge with Daniel and Rachel. It's gonna be on their channel. Go on over to Mango Street. We're gonna have a link. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you guys later.
Halas.
We're also teaching Rachel some Arabic to, let us know if we should pass on somebody.